I'm going to show you how to give away an audiobook for free. Keep watching.
The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
First of all, head over to acx.com and log in. Under your name, select View Sales Dashboard. Next, choose the Promo Codes tab. Find the book you want to give away and select Get Promo Codes. Then select Request Promo Codes. Now select your marketplace, either US or UK. Then click on the Generate button. A message will appear to let you know it's been requested. You will receive a message once ready. It only takes a few minutes. And here is the message. There's a click here link and also a link to a video with tips for making the most of professional reviews. Head back over to the book and click Get Promo Codes. Here we have the promo codes and a copy blurb button, the status, the date it was generated and redemption date. Select this toggle when you share it. Please note you can request more, but you can only have up to 50 per title per marketplace. Sorted. If you found this guide useful, hit that subscribe button and select the notification bell.